What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am doing an unboxing of something I've been waiting for quite some time, and I am so excited to open it up and show you guys what's inside. So let's put the camera down and go ahead and get this thing unboxed. Oh man. Yep, we've got the black editions. So as you can see, I'm actually wearing my handmade special edition F logo t-shirts in white, but I had to go ahead and make the black ones because a lot of you guys were asking. So I reached out to my buddy Noah at Print R Us. He runs t-shirt shop up there in Jacksonville, and we went ahead and made a few more than expected. I had this set up for about a month now for pre-orders, and a lot of you guys started ordering your shirts. So those who have ordered first, I'm going to be sending those out as soon as I can. And I'm gonna leave the shop open so anyone else that wants to pick up a t-shirt can order it. I'm gonna go ahead and update the picture or the image of the shirt onto the website. But oh man, to me it looks a lot nicer. This time it is ink printed instead of the vinyl heat transfer that I did on the white t-shirts, so they do look a lot nicer on black. T-shirts are a lot thinner and nicer than the last one, I would say. These are next level t-shirts, so they feel really nice. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the KG badge in here. It would have been such a pain to actually print the KG on there, but this is how it looks. The F is a lot bigger than what I expected, honestly. I was hoping it to be a little bit smaller, but honestly, it looks pretty good, especially if you're repping the Lexus brand, and you can't go wrong. It's a little linty right now, and also my camera keeps overexposing to compensate for the darkness. But I'm gonna throw the shirt on real quick and see how it looks. Alright guys, so here's the t-shirt. As you can see, not bad. Big F logo, I know, but honestly it's not that bad. Plus, you're gonna show people what you're representing, and this is what it is. Like I said, these are my old special edition or limited edition t-shirts. Way smaller, you know, which is discreet, but honestly, this shirt you gotta represent. It fits a lot nicer, as you can see, pretty fitted. This is a medium. I would recommend getting the size that you usually wear. I would say if you like it fitted. And then here is the old logo, literally just 2 colors, and now this one has 3 colors. I'm digging it. Like I said, go get your orders on my Big Cartel, and I think you're really gonna like these shirts a lot. They're really nice and airy and kind of fitted as well. So go ahead on my Big Cartel and order yourself a t-shirt. All proceeds go to helping my channel and helping me build my car, the Skyline. And for everyone else that ordered ahead of time, those pre-orders will be shipped out as soon as possible. Yeah, I'm just really happy that they're here today. Well, that wraps up our video shoot. Thank you for participating, ma'am. You have been very great.
Well,